we're making pork chops with honey garlic. We're going to start out with 4 to 6 pork chops, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and then we'll use some onion, salt, and pepper. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to salt and pepper both sides of our pork chops. And then we're going to cook them on top of the stove first. We're using onion salt. And make sure you do both sides. We have our fry pan on medium-high heat. We got our olive oil. And we're going to sear our pork chops about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. We're also going to add in our garlic powder to each side of the pork chop. I lowered the heat. We're going to add in the butter. Get it around the pan. I'm going to scrape up any bits that are down there. Get our garlic in there. Get our rice wine in there. And our water. And the honey. Reduce that down a little bit. Now we got our pork chops in our sheet pan. We're going to add our sauce on, and then we're going to get this on the broiler for about 2 minutes. Finish those off in the broiler. Well, there you have it, my pork chops with honey garlic. Enjoy.